Good morning! It's 8 o'clock in the morning, day 1 Slovenia. We're up and we're ready to go.
We planned to go and see 2 waterfalls today.
So it's going to be a full day, time for a quick breakfast and then we're on the road. So we're here in Slovenia, day 1. We're off on our first adventure. We're currently crossing a very, very bouncy wooden bridge. It's not very pleasant, to be honest.
No, other people were jumping around on it, but
I'm not sure that I trust it. We've now entered a canyon and we're approaching the waterfall, so it's getting pretty noisy, but the path is spectacular. So, we've just arrived. Spot number 2, we're heading to a new waterfall. The first one was beautiful. And yeah, we've got a little hike to get there, but it's supposed to be the tallest waterfall in Slovenia. So we're excited to see what that looks like. And we'll see you there.
So we moved only like 10 meters from the car park and we already can see it. It's quite fast.
Just there. So, the path is significantly steeper than I expected and longer, and I have got a sweat on. When we left the car, it was pretty chilly, there was a breeze, so I put on an extra layer, and boy did I not need that. But we're just arriving here to the viewpoint. So here we are, we made it, and it's spectacular.
This behind us is the Boka waterfall.
It's the tallest waterfall in Europe.
Not in Europe, it's Slovenia.
In Slovenia, correction, scrub that.
If you come to Slovenia and to Triglav National Park, this is definitely worth coming and seeing. Thumbs up.
We recommend. Okay, time to go. We've got to get down the mountain before it gets dark. We didn't bring a torch today.
Always a mistake.
Always bring a torch.
Always bring a torch.
Only near certain death, putting one foot wrong.